Good morning everyone. You are watching MERI News. I am Priya.
And I am Vansh.
Let's begin with the news headlines. PM Modi to inaugurate Rajasthan's HPCL refinery in Pachpadra.
South Korean President Lee Jae-myung to visit India and Vietnam.
Digital payments in India reach new heights.
India accelerates free trade agreements with global partners.
Mumbai Indians regain momentum with dominant victory in IPL 2026.
India's startup ecosystem reaches new heights with record growth.
Now news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will inaugurate Rajasthan's first modern BS6 standard HPCL refinery in Pachpadra, Balotra district on April 21. The event has been prepared on a large scale with advanced infrastructure, security and public arrangements. Around 5,000 security personnel have been deployed, with the area declared a no-fly and red zone. The refinery event venue includes multiple domes sitting for nearly 1 lakh people, LED screens and extensive parking arrangements. Senior ministers and officials will also attend the inauguration, marking a key development in India's energy infrastructure expansion.
South Korean President Lee Jae-myung will make a state visit to India from April 19 to 24, followed by Vietnam. This marks the first visit by a South Korean leader to India in 8 years. A summit with Prime Minister Narendra Modi is scheduled for April 20 in New Delhi, focusing on cooperation in shipbuilding, AI and defense. The visit also includes economic discussions with business leaders from both countries. Lee will later travel to Hanoi to strengthen ties in energy, supply chains and critical minerals with Vietnam's leadership.
India is witnessing a rapid rise in digital transactions, making payments faster and more convenient for people. Platforms like UPI have played a major role in this growth by allowing instant money transfers through mobile phones. Small businesses and street vendors are also adopting digital payment methods, reducing need for cash. The government and financial institutions are encouraging this shift and build a more transparent and efficient economy. Experts believe that the continued growth of digital payments will strengthen India's financial systems and support economic development in the coming years.
India has announced an expanded and fast-tracked free trade agreement roadmap with key global economies. The India-UK FTA is expected to come into force by May 2026. The country is also advancing trade discussions with Oman, New Zealand and other partners alongside previously signed agreements with the UAE and Mauritius. The strategy reflects India's push to strengthen global trade integration, improve market access and boost exports. Ongoing efforts also includes aligning legal frameworks for smoother implementations of newly negotiated trade deals.
In a powerful display of skill and determination, Mumbai Indians made a strong statement in the Indian Premier League 2026 season with a convincing win over Gujarat Titans. After a mixed start to the tournament, this match marked a turning point for the team, showcasing their true potential. Batting first, Mumbai Indians put up an impressive total on the scoreboard thanks to a strong and composed century by Tilak Verma. His innings was a perfect blend of aggression and control as he played confident strokes across the ground while maintaining a steady run rate. He received a good support from the middle order, ensuring that the team built a strong and challenging target.
India's business sector is showing strong positive growth as the country's startup ecosystem reaches new heights in 2025-26. Under the Startup India initiative, more than 55,000 new startups were officially recognized, marking the highest annual growth so far. This surge has boosted innovation across industries like technology, healthcare and e-commerce, while also creating a large number of job opportunities. Experts believe this growth highlights increasing investors' confidence and effective government support, with notable rise in women-led businesses as well. Overall, India is strengthening its position as one of the fastest growing startup hubs in the world.
That's all for this news bulletin. Keep watching MERI News.